Hello, I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack, and this is a Baking and Snack Tech Expert. Today's tech expert is Yannick Gil, Technical Sales Lead USA for Vantage Foods. In our September issue of Baking and Snack, Yannick shared how bakers could ensure they are choosing the right release agent for their applications and their process. Today, we'll talk about how Vantage Foods can help in that decision. Thanks for joining me today, Yannick.
Thank you, Charlotte.
So, to start off, what are some common challenges or missteps that bakers make when choosing a release agent?
Okay, so there are several pitfalls bakers often encounter when selecting release agents. First, many fall into the one-size-fits-all trap, assuming that a single agent will work for all of their product, which is not true in practice. And another common misstep I've seen is fixating on price alone. We often see an excessive focus on upfront costs without considering the long-term return on investment. While a cheaper release agent might seem attractive initially, it can lead to significant hidden costs. For instance, a lower quality agent might require more frequent reglazing of pans or a high polymerization of the pans, thus increasing labor costs and production downtime. It could also result in more product rejects due to inconsistent release directly impacting your bottom line. So in the long run, investing in a high quality release agent is much more economical. It can reduce waste, improve production efficiency, and ensure consistent product quality. This not only will save you money, but it can also enhance your brand reputation and your customer satisfaction.
Right. That makes a lot of sense. So, what do bakers need to consider when they are choosing their release agent?
Okay, so choosing the right release agent requires a holistic view of your operation. First and foremost, consider your specific products. A release agent perfect for bread might not work well for pastries or gluten-free items. And then we also have to look at your equipment, the type of pans, the molds, the conveyor systems that you use can significantly impact which engine works best. So production volume is another crucial factor. The need of a small artisanal bakery that might differ from those of a large industrial bakery. So don't forget about your end consumer either. With growing health consciousness, you should also explore allergen-free or non-GMO options. Although it's important to note that in the US, release agents are generally considered processing aids. This means they don't have to be declared on the product label, which is an advantage for maintaining a clean label. However, this shouldn't lead to complacency in selection. The right release agent still needs to align with your product quality and your brand values.
For sure. So, how can Vantage Foods help bakers navigate the wide variety of release agents that are available to them?
Great question, Charlotte. So at Vantage Food, we understand the variety of release agents can be overwhelming. That's why we take a consultative approach, focusing on solutions rather than just products. Our team of experts works closely with bakers to understand their unique challenges, their processes, and their goals. We offer a wide range of formulations from traditional oil-based spray to innovative water-based and clean label options. This variety ensures we can meet diverse needs across the baking industry. So a prime example of this would be our Vegelib Super P release agent, which is specially formulated for excellent release properties in pan bread applications, mostly in large industrial bakeries. And we also don't provide just the release agent. We also offer cutting edge application equipment like our recently launched Mallet 3001 bread pan oiler. This advanced system, when paired with our Vegelib Super P, for instance, would provide precise, consistent application, reducing waste and ensuring optimal coverage. So this combination can significantly improve efficiency and product quality in bread production lines.
Well, thank you so much, Yannick, for joining me today on this Baking and Snack Tech Expert.